Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss to prove two expressions are logically equivalent by using truth table. In the last two sessions, we discussed proving of two expressions are logically equivalent without using truth table. Now, consider the first example. P and Q are negation P and Q are P and negation Q is logically equivalent to P or Q. When you say that two expressions are logically equivalent, suppose P is one expression, Q is another expression. If they are logically equivalent, if both have same set of truth values for every combination of their truth variables, or P biconditional Q is a tautology. P biconditional Q is a tautology. You can check any one. Now we will prove this one. Consider here only two letters P comma Q are there. P Q. Write down the four cases: true, false, false, true, false, false. First P and Q. P and Q means true, false, false, false. Negation P. What is negation P? False, false, true, true. Now you need to calculate. This calculation is completed. Now you need to calculate negation P and Q. Negation P and Q. False, true, false, false, true, and then false. This is also completed. Now P and negation Q. So I am calculating negation Q. False, true, false, true. Now P and negation Q. So I am calculating that one. P and negation Q. True, false. That is false. True, true, true. False, false, false. False and true, false. Now I am doing OR operation between these two. The first one and this is the second one and this is the third one. See, P and Q, OR operation with negation P and Q, OR operation with P and negation Q. OR means if any one is true, the result is true. Simply here I written the statement LHS, that is this entire. Do the OR operation. True, false, false. What is the answer? True. If any one is true, false, false, true, true, false, true, false, true, false, false, false. That is false. Okay. Now calculate the RHS P or Q. Calculate the RHS P or Q. True and true. That is true. True and false. True, sorry, R. False or true. True. False or false. False. Now if you check carefully, when you say that two expressions are logically equivalent, the left side expression truth values are same as right side expression truth value. See, TTTF, right side value is also TTDF. Now these two expressions are logically equivalent, or else you can do this one also, LHS with RHS. This is LHS, this is RHS. Apply the biconditional. If it is a tautology, then also the two expressions are equivalent. True and true, 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 false, false, true. So observe what is a tautology. If the result expression contains all the truths, that is a tautology. Now you prove that if they given any expression, the procedure is like this only. Anyway, for understanding purpose, we are moving with some three variables example also. Okay. Now move to this example. So the three variables are P, Q, R, true, F, F, T, F, F. Similarly, true, 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 false, false, true, false, false, true, 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 false, 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 false. Do one by one. First, perform Q and R. True, false, 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 true, false, false, false. You know the end operation. If both are true, then only the result is true. Now perform P implies Q and R. This is my left hand side. P implies Q and R. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false, true, false, 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 true, true, false, false, true, false, false, true, false, false, true. This is my left hand side. Now I am calculating as usual right side also. First I am doing P implies Q. P implies Q in the sense true, true, false, false, true, 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 true. Next P implies R. True, 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 false, 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 true, 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 false, 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 true, true, false, false, true, false, true, true, false, false, false. Now do the end operation. P implies Q, end operation with P implies R. Now between these two, do the end operation. True, false, 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 true, 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 and then true. Here false to false. P implies R. False, false, true, true. Now if you observe carefully, this is my LHS and this is my RHS. Check true, true, false, 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 true, 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 and true. Got it? If the both the expression contains the same truth values, anyway, if you apply the biconditional, what happened? Tautology. Why? If the same truth values, the result is true. These two expressions are logically equivalent expressions. Clear? This is the concept of logical equivalence. Thank you.